Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Eprolo All-in-One Dropshipping My Platform Usage Review. Eprolo All-in-One Dropshipping is a platform designed to simplify the process of dropshipping. It targets entrepreneurs looking to start or scale their online businesses without managing inventory. Key features include product sourcing, order fulfillment, and integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Their website provides details on their pricing plans and the extensive product catalog available. Eprolo emphasizes ease of use, boasting a user-friendly interface and automated processes. They highlight competitive pricing with no hidden fees and flexible plans to suit different business sizes. Their technology focuses on fast shipping times and reliable order fulfillment, streamlining the entire dropshipping workflow. You can check out their website for more information on specific features and pricing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Eprolo All-in-One Dropshipping. Getting started was remarkably straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through connecting my Shopify store and setting up my preferences. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily searched for products within their vast catalog, filtering by category, price, and shipping options. I added several products to my store with just a few clicks, and the synchronization was seamless. In terms of performance, I was impressed with the order processing speed. Once a customer placed an order on my store, Eprolo automatically handled the fulfillment, and I received updates throughout the shipping process. I did have a quick question about product customization, and their support team responded within a few hours via email with a helpful answer. I was really impressed by how quickly I could list new products and the variety available. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment, which saved me a significant amount of time. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for product branding. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Eprolo. While it has a few areas for improvement, it generally met my needs for a streamlined dropshipping solution. That's my overview of Eprolo All-in-One Dropshipping My Platform Usage Review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.